welcome to my channel. I'm gonna be a little weird with my camera because right as I was about to record, my camera died. This is a camera I've been using. I've had it for like 10 years now. When I got out of credit card debt, I was really badly in credit card debt when I started dating my husband, and I saved, or I paid off all my bills, and then I says, as a reward, I'm going to get a new camera. This camera I think I've had for 10 years, and my husband's like, you should get a new camera, you should get a new camera, and I'm just like, no. Well, guess what? It kind of stopped. It says I have to change the batteries. Batteries work just fine, so I think I might have to retire this camera, because this is a camera that I use to record myself. So right now I'm using my little handheld camera, and I have a mirror right behind me so I can see myself. So I'm just saying it's gonna look a little weird for the next couple days or until whenever I get a new camera. So, but enough with me talking. Let me share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. Now, I had a list of stuff that I wanted to get, and some of the stuff just it wasn't marked, wasn't on sale, because I see a lot of people post some deals and their deals just don't work out. But I ended up getting some decent stuff. Now, I had, from last week, I looked at their Christmas stuff. They had a whole aisle of Christmas stuff. This week, they had just a small section. And, you know, a lot of you guys know that 90% off, as far as I know, some of your stores might have it. This store did have 90% off their Christmas, but not their toys. But most stores, the 90% off starts on the 14th. Now, it only goes for like 2 or 3 days. So if you guys are interested in doing 90% off, get to your stores right away. Now, every store is different. But I wanted to get toys is what I wanted to get. She told me toys are not included. We'll see. Her store might have been just different. But, so definitely check that out. I'm going to go to a Walgreens tomorrow and see if I can find anything. I don't need Christmas stuff, maybe gift bags, but I like to look at toys because I like to give toys away for birthday parties, just gifts and stuff. I have a lot of stuff that I want to give away this year. So, there is that. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. Sorry, like, it's so weird looking at my camera from a different point of view. So, what I ended up getting is a L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner deal. Now, these are on sale the same as last week, 2 for $8. You guys want to use a 4 off a 2 coupon that we just got past the past Sunday's paper, so last week's Sunday's paper. Plus, there is a $2 off a 2 coupon that is in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would end up getting these for $1 a bottle. I always say if you can get shampoo for $1 and under, that's a pretty good deal. Sometimes you might pay a little bit more, sometimes you don't. But I always try to go $1 or cheaper. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. I have used L'Oreal in the past. I've been switching it up. Like right now I'm using Aussie. And then the next one is that Love and Beauty. And then whatever. But I've been trying to just change up my shampoo and conditioner every month. So I do empty videos to show you guys. I'm starting to save stuff for that. I ended up doing the Perel. Now, I like the Perel, but I like the smell of this one a little bit easier. I don't know why, but there's a difference. You get 10 ounces in this one, and you get 8 ounces in this one, but one's to bring to work, and the other one's for at home. So these were $2.99. They were buy one, get one free, so you guys want to use that $1 off coupon that we got in the Walgreens booklet. Now, if you guys, or the Walgreens, not booklet, on coupons.com. Now, if you guys don't have that coupon or you don't want to use paper coupons, there is a digital coupon for this that you guys can use. So you guys will end up getting this for $1.99 or just about 99 cents a piece. So that's a pretty decent deal. I usually try to stock up a lot of those when school starts, but they didn't have very good deals this year for that stuff. So cutting back on that. One thing I did want to show you is I've been eyeing this toy up. This is Minnie. It's like a little baby rattle. Now, this was originally $6.99. I've been eyeing this up ever since I've been looking at the toys, and I kind of want to start getting some little girly baby toys for my daughter. And I thought this is kind of cute. I mean, it's a little different, but it lights up and it plays. So I thought that'd be kind of cute for her. So this was $6.99. It was not 90% off, but I ended up getting it for $2.09. What it was marked down to. So thought, why not? Why not? For $2.09, I think that's a pretty good deal. Now I ended up getting some All-May clearance makeup. Now these I thought were on sale, but they weren't. But these were on clearance for $6.79. I used two $3 off coupons that we got in last Sunday's paper. Plus there is a 4 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would end up getting these for $3.58 or just $1.79 a piece. Again, it's an okay deal. It does go towards beauty, and I just wanted to show you with you guys some deals because like this week is kind of slow. So wanted to share with you guys on that. I keep forgetting, like, we emptied some boxes, and I can put stuff in there now. Yeah, I got it, like, all cleaned up right here. If you guys watched my basement cleanup video, I do want to say thank you guys for all the support you've been giving me. For that, I'm not, like, stressed out. I just have to do it at my own pace. So, there's that. Now, these were a better deal last week, but I did not know about it. I thought they were on sale again this week, but they're not. But this is regular price, $8.79. Now I actually do need a new moisturizer, so I got this because I got rid of like all my moisturizers. But I ended up getting this because I need one. I'm very little on my one, and I've been wanting to try this for a while. So this was $8.79. Now those coupons, you can only use one coupon per transaction. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. Otherwise I would have gotten more. But $8.79, you guys want to use the $3 off coupon that we got in last Sunday's paper. Plus, you guys, there's a $3 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys use that coupon. You would get this for $2.79. Not the greatest, but hey, I really needed something like this. And I'm pretty excited to use it. I'm actually going to open this up because I need a new moisturizer. I've never used moisturizer up until like the last year, but you don't get much in it, but hey, it'll do. It'll do. So I'm pretty excited to use that stuff. It is sealed, so got that to use. They have some other ones too, but I thought that was better. They have Tic Tacs on sale for 89 cents. Now, it's the regular Tic Tacs or the Tic Tac gum. I like to have these in my purse, just have something to suck on. I'm starting to get, what is it, acid reflux or something where like it burns in my throat and I need to have Tums, but I need to, as long as I have something to suck on all the time. But these are on sale for 89 cents. And we do have those 50% off coupons that you guys can use from inserts from a couple weeks ago actually. You guys would just get these for 39 cents. Now there was a load to coupon card, but I could not find it for 75 cents off. So if you guys have it, go for it. But otherwise, I just found the 50% off 50 cent physical coupons. So for 39 cents, I think that's a pretty decent deal. So if you guys are interested in candy like that, now, I wanted to get some Butterfingers, but they didn't have any. It was all gone. But I ended up finding one in the very back of the shelf, so I ended up grabbing one, and I got one Nestle Crunch. Now, in the past, they've had this deal where if you bought 6, you guys could get a Catalina for a coupon. But I didn't want to chance it until I figured out if it does work. But I thought these are good for me just to have as snacks. You know, I like to have snacks with me while I'm out and about, just in case, or while I'm at work. But I thought I'm going to have some snacks, and I'm really craving Butterfinger right now. So I got that. So that was actually my total, or that was my haul. I know it's not much, but hey, you know, I tried to do as best as I could. There were some really good deals. I'm really hoping there to find some other deals. I really enjoyed doing the second hauls for you guys, but if I don't find any deals, I'm not going to do a second haul for you. But my total, it was weird. My total came to 11 cents. She like told me what it was, and I'm like, what? She's like, yeah. And I'm like, I didn't even pay with points. And she's like, yeah. So I'm like, okay. I ended up using a $6 register reward and a $1.99 register reward. So that's how it came to 11 cents. And I also get the employee discount, which a lot of people don't like. But hey, I like to save money. But I ended up getting 6,670 points. That was because they have the 20 times all the points. So I didn't have to pay with points. So that's how I got it. So that's like $6.67 of points that I got. So if you add everything together, I literally got a $6.56 moneymaker. So I got everything pretty much for free, which I enjoy. Now, a lot of you guys, I've seen people posting or asking questions about the point system. On my receipts, since I get an employee discount, I don't get to do any surveys. I don't get that little extra part where it says, you know, do a survey. Sorry, my camera's beeping at me because it's going to die. I have to change the battery. But they're working on it. I think they've had too many complaints. So as long as you keep filling out those receipts and doing those surveys, they'll probably change the point system back. I hope if they don't change it back, at least change it where we can redeem up to $20 or something like that. But yes, just wanted to share with you guys on that. I'm sorry, my camera is about to die and I can't see it to let it know it dies on me, or otherwise I might be just talking to myself. But I hope you guys enjoyed this Walgreens haul. You guys have a nice day, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.